Hello everybody, this is Ryan Dallion, coming to you by my kitchen. Today we're going to meet Jackie, my bird. I think you will like him. Let's go and see him. He's calling us right now. Okay, here I come, Jackie. Here I come. Okay, I gotta open this cage. My goodness, that's heavy. Hello, Jackie. Jackie, hi. I love you. Give me kissy kissy. Kissy kissy. Come here. Come on my finger. Come on my finger. Come. Ah, God. Jackie. Easy. Easy, baby. Ah, my finger. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Love you, Jackie. Love you. Okay. Okay. I'll let you eat your din-din. I'll let you eat your din-din. Mwah, mwah. Kissy. Kissy. Give me kissy. Mwah, mwah. Okay, everybody. I'll be right back. Hello, everybody. I'm back. I want to show you my three parakeet friends. Okay, I'm going to try and do this with my puppet hands. Might be a little bit tough, but I can do it. Okay. Oh, get in there. Get in there. There they are. Oh, look how pretty the parakeets look. Yeah, hello, babies. Hello, babies. You guys are so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my birds. Look at Jackie one more time. Jackie! Jackie! Look at the camera! Look at the camera! Okay, love you guys. Mwah. Until next time, happy baking!